I have been working in Plansee more than 20 years. We are always contacting cutting edge in each industry as a global leader. Every single day, our surroundings make us fun with many variety topics where we can challenge. We think your career development at most important. We are sure living in Japan will be trigger for your further career development. We set up new integration of organization, and also we prepare to set up many opportunities to have cross communication with our employees, families, and stakeholders with many fun topics. We have very experienced and also creative people with different national background as one team. We are waiting for you.
At Plansee, we emphasize a healthy work-life balance for our employees. We take great care to welcome new members and their families into our organization and help them establish communications within their teams. As well, outside of working hours, we offer many fun leisure activities and team bonding exercises. It's very important for us that our expats not just enjoy Tokyo life, but get a real feeling for what it is like to work and live in Asia.
I think you do feel as though you've grown significantly. You will hardly find a warmer culture. Products that are being made in Japan are in almost every device that you have or that you use. Communications are made very thoughtfully. All of the opinions are really considered. There's a group togetherness feeling. I can hardly think of a place that's more interesting to live. Maybe I'm biased, but I don't think there's a better job open in the group right now.
Join our
success
story.
Become
A part
Of Plansee.
Join us.